Hello everyone, hope you are fine. In this video, I would like to talk you about 15 common shell environment variables. So, the first one is echo $sign bash. So the first one is bash. And this environment variables contains the full path name of the bash command. And this usually or normally it will be under /bin/bash. So /bin/bash is the full path name of the bash command. The binary of bash, we can find it under /bin. So the full path name to the bash command, it's /bin/bash. The second environment variables is bash underscore version like this. And this variable display the number representing the current version of the bash command. So the current version of the bash command is 4.2.4.46. Another environment variables, it's EUID. And this environment variable, this is the effective user ID number of the current user. So my current user is called EC2-user. So the environment variable EUID display the effective user ID of this user. So the user ID of EC2-user is 1000. So another environment variable is echo $sign is hist file. Hist for history and file. So, and this environment variable prints the location of your history file. So my history file is located under /home/ the username EC2-user /point bash underscore history is the name of the history file. Another environment variable echo $sign hist cmd. Hist for history, cmd for command, and this environment variable returns the number of the current command in the history list. So if, for example, if I type history command like this, it will return me 130 commands. 130 commands like this. So instead of typing history, we can type just echo $sign hist cmd as environment variable, and it will return you the number of the current command in the history list. Another environment variable is echo $sign home, and home, as you know, it will returns you your home directory. So /home/ec2-user, it's my current working directory each time I log in or I type cd command with any option like this. So if I type cd, for example, /etc, I'm under /etc directory. If I type cd like this without with any options, it will return me, this command will return me to the home environment variable. So /home/ec2 minus user like this, we can verify. So another environment variable is echo $PS1 like this. And PS1, this environment variable sets the value of my shell prompt. There are many items that we can read into our prompt, like date, time, host name, username, and so on. Sometimes a command requires additional prompt which we can set with the variables PS2, for example, or PS3. In my case, I'm using PS1. So this syntax is the same here, represents my shell, my prompt shell. So \u for username, arrobas, \h for host name, so my host name is server2, \w for the current directory, it's my home directory now, the brackets 1 and 2, brackets 1, 2, then $$ to print the $sign. So PS1, we can set it the value of our shell prompt. Another environment variable is echo underscore pwd, capital letter. And pwd, it will return the directory that is assigned as your current directory. And this value, of course, changes each time you change directories using the cd command. So cd etc, I retype this environment variable like this. I'm under the /etc cd like this. I'm under /home/ec2 minus user. Another cool environment variable is seconds like this. Echo seconds in plural seconds. So, and this environment variable gives us the number of seconds since the time the shell was started. So my shell, my terminal window, my prompt shell was started since 600, like this, since 700 seconds now. So the environment variable seconds, capital letters, return the number of seconds since the time the shell was started. Another environment variable is tmout, timeout, but tmout like this. And this environment variable can be set to a number representing the number of seconds the shell can be idle without receiving input. So after the number of seconds is reached, the shell exits. So if I put, for example, 600 seconds for the timeout environment variable. So if I didn't give any input, after 600 seconds, my shell will be exits or log out. Another environment variable is echo $. It's random like this. And this environment variable gives So it gives us the accessing this variable a number between 0 and 99999. So like this. So random environment variable return us a random number to be generated. This number is between 0 and 5 nines, 99999. So like this. A random number at each time we type this command. Another environment variable is mail, like this. Mail. And this environment variable returns the location of your mailbox. So normally we can use our mailbox under /var /spool /mail /your username. So in my case, it's ec2 minus user. Another environment variable is HHL VL. So HH for shell and LVL for level, stands for level. And this environment variable gives or returns the number of shell levels associated with the current shell session. So when I log in to the shell, the SHLVL environment variable is 1, like this, is 1 now. So each time I start a new bash command, for example, by typing sudo su minus root or another a new user, or by simply typing the bash command, this number, it will be incremented. So I will test just to verify like this. So if I retype echo underscore $sign HHLVL like this. So when I start a new bash, the shell level associated with my current shell session, it will be incremented like this. So if I type another time bash, then echo, it will be incremented the shell level is 3. So just to indicate the level associated to the current shell. Another environment variable is path, like this. And this environment variable will display the colon separated list of directories used to find commands that you type. So if I type cd, for example, this command, it will be under /usr/local/bin or /usr/bin, etc. So just to verify, we can type which cd to know exactly where is the binary of cd. So for cd, the full path name is /usr/bin/cd. So is under /usr/bin. If we see the path output, so it will be here. So cd is under /usr/bin. So, and the last environment variable, number 15, is echo $old pwd, old pwd, old print working directory. And this environment variable returns the directories that was the working directories before you change the current working directory. If I type cd/etc, so my old working directory, it was /home/ec2 -user. And if I erase, delete old, so my current directory, current working directory is /etc. So that's it for this video. That's also for this video. Hope you are enjoyed. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lecture.